If KTM's ferocious 1390 Super Duke R already has the engine, chassis, and electronics to terrorize superbikes, then maybe it's time KTM admitted what riders really want: a full-fat RC 1390 built from the factory. Because that's essentially what Krämer Motorcycles has just created. The German race bike specialists have unveiled a comprehensive race kit for the 1290 and 1390 Super Duke, transforming KTM's naked hooligan into something far closer to the spiritual successor of the legendary RC8, a fully fared, circuit-focused V-twin weapon with proper race bike intent. And honestly, it raises a serious question. Why doesn't KTM already build this bike themselves? The conversion isn't some cosmetic fairing job. Kramer has engineered a complete motorsport overhaul designed to unlock the Super Duke's hidden superbike potential. Lightweight GFK fiberglass bodywork with carbon Kevlar reinforcement replaces the exposed naked bike aggression with sharp aerodynamic fairings, improved wind protection, and genuine high-speed stability. Suddenly, the Super Duke starts looking less like a street fighter and more like the RC 1390 KTM fans have been begging for. The changes go deeper than styling. Kramer replaces the standard fuel tank with a 22-liter XPE racing tank that doubles as the seat base, lowering the center of gravity while improving rider movement on track. Adjustable ergonomics, clip-on handlebars, racing rear sets, and revised linkage further push the bike away from roadster roots and into full superbike territory. There's even a dedicated Ram air intake, CNC machined top yoke, and optional aerodynamic wing packages, the kind of hardware you'd expect on a modern homologation special, which makes the whole thing feel like a glimpse into an alternate reality where KTM built an RC 1390 to rival Ducati's Panigale V4 or Aprilia's RS V4. Instead, it's Kramer showing everyone what the platform is truly capable of. At 6,990 euros before VAT, the race kit isn't cheap, but for riders dreaming of a modern KTM superbike with brutal V-twin character, this may be the closest thing yet to the RC rebirth we've all been waiting for.